This whole tour is about putting ESAB's equipment in your hands.
If you do love this kind of stuff, you need to make it out here.
What excites me about the industry most is that it's never going to be replaced by AI.
I think it's been a great opportunity to have ESAB visit our facilities.
We think this is a great idea.
We need to have more events like this.
You have to do it to get good at it, and we are here to encourage that.
We drove 5 hours out here, asked off from work and everything.
You know, we started in Florida, went to Georgia, Tennessee, Alabama, Texas, New York, Pennsylvania, Maryland.
This is something that's not common.
I can't wait to see what ESAB has to offer for the future.